Hi, ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo ang tamang proseso sa pag-evaluate ng limit as x approaches infinity of x raised to 1 over x. So, in order na makuha natin yung evaluation nito is dapat alam natin yung mga factors and theorems na ibabanggit ko sa kada proseso natin. So, let's begin po. So, unang-una, para ma-evaluate siya, kinakailangan na si base ng x o sa base ng function na to, which is x, i-equal natin siya sa e raised to the ln of x. So, ito yung theorem number 1. Okay. E raised to ln x is equals to x. So, ito, i-substitute lang natin to sa base lang, hindi sa exponent. Unang step is substitute. So, limit as x approaches to infinity. Instead of x, 1 over x, magiging e raised to ln of x, close parenthesis natin, raised to 1 over x. So, in laws of exponent, a power rule, pwede natin i-multiply si 1 over x kay ln x. So, we get limit as x approaches infinity of e raised to ln x divided by x. So, anong sunod na proseso natin? So, may theorem na tinatawag na L'Hopital's theory or L'Hopital's rule of limit evaluation. So, nakasaad doon na limit as x approaches to a certain value of a function of x over g's of x, basta naka-fraction siya, allow tayo na kunin yung derivative of numerator and denominator. So, i-apply natin siya dito sa ln of x. So, copy, limit as x approaches to infinity of e raised to the derivative of ln x all over the derivative also of x. Then, ang derivative ng ln of x is 1 over x. Then, ang derivative ng x is simply 1. So, we just copy 1 over x. Then, para mahanap natin yung value neto, kailangan natin ng isa pang theorem. So, a limit as x approaches to infinity of 1 over x is 0. Why? Because if we choose a value that is bigger and bigger than the numerator 1, like for example 1 over 10,000, so it ang value niya is 0.0001. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nagre-reach siya sa 0. Or kahit million or billion pang i-substitute nyo, magre-reach po siya sa 0. So, i-apply natin tong theorem na to dito sa ating limit process. So, copy, limit as x approaches to infinity of e raised to 1 over x is equal to, ito magiging 0 na to. So, we will leave e raised to 0. So, any number or variable that is raised to 0 raised to 0 will always equal to 1. So, therefore, limit as x approaches infinity of x raised to 1 over x is equal to 1. So, that's it. So, bakit hindi natin pwedeng i-direct substitute yung infinity? Because if we substitute in infinity raised to 1 over infinity, we all know that 1 over infinity is equal to 0. So, infinity raised to 0 will not be equal to 1. So, kailangan nyo pa rin gamitan ng mga theorems, mga factor para magawa nyo yung proseso ng pag-evaluate ng limit as x approaches infinity of x raised to 1 over x. Yun lamang.